Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting module which is nothing but our certification maintenance. So all our certification maintenance for winter 25 is out now in our channel, so do check that. And now let's do our platform map builder. Let's take up our first challenge now. So this is going to be the quiz and I'm directly going to mark up the answers. Let's check this quiz now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge, and now let's take up our second challenge. So this is going to be get hands-on with conditional formatting in dynamic forms. Let's scroll down and launch our playground. So guys, here in our quick find I'm just going to search for lightning app builder. Let's click on it, and here let's click on new. And if you go back to the challenge, this will be the name for our app builder, and choose record page over here and click on next, and let's provide our label. So for object we are just going to search for contact and click on it, and now click on next, and let's hover to clone Salesforce default page, and here I'm just going to select contact record view for lightning console and click on done. So guys, probably here if you click on this contact name in middle section, you will find this as highlights panel. So we are going to remove this by clicking on bin, which is over there on right side. So click on delete, and now let's go to our field section. So here I'm just going to choose this dynamic highlights panel, and I'm going to keep this on my page. So once if it is done, we are just going to click on add action on our right side. So here I'm just going to add edit, click on done, followed by delete. So once if it is selected, click on done, and now I'm going to add some of our fields. So for that I'm just going to search for title. Let's drag this and drop it over here, followed by account name. Let's drag and drop next to title, and phone. Let's drop this as well, and now email, followed by contact owner, followed by level. Let's drag this and drop it over here. So once if it is done, let's click on save, and we are going to activate this as well, and now click on activate. So we are going to assign this as org default. So click on assign as org default, followed by next, followed by save. So this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our platform app builder certification maintenance. So remaining all maintenance module for winter 25 will be available in our channel. Do check that, and if you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.